Throughout history, many cultures developed health practices and remedies that have been passed down through generations. Some of these were surprisingly advanced for their time, while others have been forgotten or overlooked in the modern world. In this article, we'll uncover some of these hidden gems of health wisdom and explain them in simple, easy-to-understand terms. In ancient times, long before the invention of modern medicine, people relied heavily on herbs and plants to treat various ailments. Many of these herbal treatments are still used today, but some have been overshadowed by pharmaceutical drugs. For example, echinacea, a plant originally used by Native American tribes, was known for its immune-boosting properties. Studies now show that echinacea can help reduce the duration of colds, proving that the old wisdom was based on sound principles. In ancient China, ginseng was considered a powerful remedy to boost energy and enhance overall vitality. Modern research supports its benefits, showing that ginseng may help reduce stress, improve brain function, and promote physical endurance. These herbal practices show that sometimes, nature provides us with everything we need for good health. Fasting for health and longevity. The concept of fasting is as old as civilization itself. Ancient cultures like the Greeks and Egyptians practiced fasting for spiritual and health reasons. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, even suggested fasting as a way to cleanse the body and improve health. In simple terms, fasting means not eating for a certain period of time. It might sound extreme, but modern research has found that intermittent fasting, not eating for a certain number of hours each day, can help reduce the risk of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Fasting gives your body time to repair itself and remove toxins, which is why it was considered a form of health maintenance in the past. The healing power of salt water. People from many ancient cultures, such as the Greeks and Romans, used salt water to treat wounds, soothe sore throats, and even improve digestion. Saltwater gargles are still recommended by doctors today for soothing a sore throat or fighting off infections. In ancient Egypt, salt was used to preserve food, and also as a healing agent for skin conditions. Salt has natural antibacterial properties, which help fight infections, and it draws out impurities from the body. In modern health practices, you might find salt being used in certain therapies like salt caves or salt lamps, which are thought to improve breathing and boost general wellness. Mind-body connection, meditation, and mindfulness. Thousands of years before the modern mindfulness movement, ancient civilizations, particularly in India and China, practiced techniques to calm the mind and improve mental health. Meditation was seen as a way to connect the mind and body, reduce stress, and improve concentration. The wisdom of these practices has been rediscovered in recent years, as science has proven the many mental health benefits of meditation. Meditation is known to lower stress hormones, improve focus, and promote a sense of inner peace. It is also used to help with anxiety, depression, and sleep disorders. The fact that ancient cultures understood the importance of mental well-being speaks volumes about the long-standing value of the mind-body connection. The benefits of sunlight, vitamin D, and beyond. Before sunscreen, people spent a lot of time in the sun. While we now know that too much sun exposure can lead to skin cancer, ancient people had a different relationship with the sun. Sunlight was viewed as a vital source of health. The skin absorbs sunlight to produce vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function. In ancient Egypt, sunlight was celebrated for its healing properties, and the idea of sunbathing for health was a common practice. Today, we understand that a healthy amount of sun exposure is important for our bodies to produce vitamin D. Many people around the world suffer from vitamin D deficiencies due to a lack of sunlight, especially in northern climates. Simple exposure to the sun for about 15 to 30 minutes a day can significantly improve health and well-being, boosting mood and immunity. The importance of rest and sleep. The importance of sleep and rest was recognized by ancient cultures, even if they didn't fully understand the biological processes behind them. For instance, in ancient Greece, the temple of Asclepius was dedicated to the god of healing, and people would visit the temple to rest and sleep in order to cure illnesses. Resting was seen as an essential part of recovery. Today, science confirms that sleep is essential for physical and mental recovery. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to various health problems, including heart disease, obesity, and weakened immunity. Ensuring a regular sleep pattern and taking time for rest is an essential part of maintaining good health, something ancient wisdom understood long ago. Ancient communities often relied on strong social structures for support, from family to extended networks of friends and neighbors. Social interaction was seen as crucial for maintaining mental health, and people lived in close-knit communities that offered emotional and physical support in times of need. Modern research shows that social connections are just as important for health as diet and exercise. Positive relationships can reduce stress, lower the risk of depression, and even improve lifespan. The wisdom of maintaining healthy relationships with others is not just an old tradition, but a scientifically backed way to live a longer, happier life. In ancient traditions, laughter and joy were seen as powerful tools for healing. The ancient Greeks had a saying, "Laughter is the best medicine." While the healing power of laughter was recognized long ago, modern science has also confirmed that laughter can lower blood pressure, boost immune function, and relieve stress. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which help improve mood and relieve pain. It also lowers the stress hormone cortisol, making it a natural stress reliever. The simple act of laughing, whether through humor, play, or social interaction, has both physical and emotional health benefits. Conclusion: rediscovering the wisdom of the past. The health practices of the past may seem old-fashioned or even primitive in today's fast-paced world, but many of them are surprisingly relevant. Whether it's through the power of herbs, the benefits of fasting, or the importance of sleep and social connections, ancient wisdom provides valuable insights into maintaining health and well-being. As we continue to learn more about the human body and mind, we may find that the secrets of the past still have a lot to teach us today. By revisiting these forgotten health practices, we can create a more holistic approach to wellness, one that blends the best of ancient wisdom with modern science for a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like and share this information on all your socials today. Share this as a gift to someone today, and drop a comment on what ancient wisdom you would practice from today. Please subscribe to this channel. Untold Realities for more educative contents on your body and you. Thank you for watching.